Hey everyone, so I just got done with the drawing, so I thought, well, I'm going to do a painting. I'm going to do several paintings actually. It's late, I'm tired, but I want to paint, and I've been so busy today that I didn't have time to paint. So I'm going to do a flip and drag. I already have my white down. My white is Creative Inspirations paint from Jerry's Artorama, mixed with Floetrol water to a runnier consistency than what we normally pour with. It was a bug. Bought a new storm door. I can't wait to get it up so the bugs can't get through the screen. Okay, so I'm going to use Grumbacher turquoise green, and I'm going to use Soho Terra Verte. I'm sure it's Terra Verte. If I'm wrong, someone tell me if I was wrong. And this is Craft Smart Robin Eggs Blue. So I have 3 different brands of paint, and I just wanted to try this turquoisey green combo. I haven't done it before, so why are my cups stuck together? Never mind with that one then. So yeah, I was very excited to see the winners. I had 2 from the Facebook posts and 1 from YouTube. No, I'm sorry, it was 2 from YouTube and 1 from the Facebook post. I would have liked to have seen 1 from Etsy, but oh well. Maybe next time we'll draw separate ones from each thing to make it a little more interesting. So I'm going to start with the Soho Terra Verte. You guys are going to make fun of me all night, aren't you? That's okay. Guess I should have learned how to pronounce it before I sat down here. And that was the Robin's Egg Blue. And this is the Grumbacher turquoise, which I absolutely love. So I'm just going to give it a tiny little stir. I can see lots of silicone sitting there. Pop it in the middle. And the reason that I use the WD-40 is not to create cells. I use it to release the paint from the cup. Because once it drops, you can kind of see what's sitting on top, and you can always turn your cup a little bit so that you're forcing a certain color a certain way. But you guys will get all that. And if you're already paint pouring, you already know that. But if you're new, you'll learn the tricks. Okay. I see something in my paint right there. Got it. I'm getting lucky there. Okay, I'm going to come this way first. I'm going to break the seal. You'll notice you get suction when you do these. And I'm trying to glide right on top of that white. And sometimes you just can't help it. You will hit the canvas. And I don't think I'm going back in because I kind of like that, the shape that that's in right now. So see, the cup's pretty empty. It is stinky, but I do like the way that it works for me. So another thing too, when you're torching, that chemical is in your paint, so don't be over top of this. If you're not filming, wear a respirator. Be on the safe side. I'm just moving it a little bit, stretch it out just a little bit. So my husband and I were just talking what we're going to do for the 10,000 giveaway. I think we might do art supplies. And if you don't paint, then you can, I'll have one painting available, maybe. We'll see. We may come up with something even better. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to do, because when I airbrush this out, it's going to take shape. So I'm going to torch it. I don't see anything new, a couple little cells here and there. That's the one thing I like too with flip and drag. Usually what you see when you're done dragging is pretty much what you're going to get. So it's easier to work with instead of trying to drum up some cells. Oh, I got canvas sitting on my cords here. I need a bigger studio. 2-car garage isn't big enough. Okay. I kind of like that tail. I'm just going to move it out just a little bit. Got some canvas right here showing, so I'm going to fix that. So this airbrush is on my Amazon shopping page. It's $49.96, I believe. And every purchase that you make through there, I make a little bit of commission. It helps me to buy more supplies to do more videos. So keep that in mind if you're going to be shopping on Amazon. You can buy other things as well that aren't on my shopping list and include that in your purchase. So you're fine. Oh, that's pretty. That Grumbacher turquoise is a gorgeous color. And look, I didn't use any Prussian blue today. Yet. I've been playing with those Propel bottoms again. I did some paintings this week. I actually did, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, and didn't film any of them because I wanted to play, and I spent a lot of time playing with those with different color paints. And I was working on 2 for my granddaughter, and I did post a couple on my personal Facebook page that I probably should have put on my art page. I may do that later. And I think I'm going to do a video on that too. It's using a dirty pour cup and pouring it over the bottom. And there, you don't really, I wasn't looking for a flower. I just wanted the mixture to take over the canvas, which was kind of fun. And my husband bought an ice cube tray. This one. It's very short and stubby, see? He wants me to play with that. So we may have to do that. Okay. Let me just drag a couple of these down. My goodness, I'm just knocking everything over here. Now I know that turquoise is going to dry much darker, only because I've used it before. Let me see if I can show you what color it will dry. It's very dark. I like to take a new paint and rub it on a stick and write what it is. I need to do that with all my paint. That'll give you an idea, especially when you're choosing a color palette. Would definitely come in handy. Okay, I like that right there. There's still quite a bit of white there. All right, let me torch it one more time. As long as your paint's not swimming off the canvas, you'll be okay. I like to keep my paint a little thicker so that the painting has some texture to it and you're not seeing the texture of the canvas as much. All right, let's call this one done. So subscribe while you're here if you haven't already. Click the bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Share. Leave a comment. Join me on Facebook and visit my Etsy shop and come shop with me on Amazon. And I also have a PayPal link below if you want to sponsor my channel. All the money is going to be used for supplies, but that's up to you. I'm not begging for it. But it's there if you want to help me with purchasing canvas and resin and stuff. I'm going to start doing some resining, and once I get comfortable with it, then I'll start doing a few resin videos. I do resin over clocks and jewelry, and you know, maybe we might even do a video on jewelry, so we're thinking of new things. So thanks for joining me tonight, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great night. Bye now.